Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this lovely jumbo braid. So if you really want to know how to session it, keep watching, do not skip. So guys, this is the hair I'll be using. I'm using just one pack of extension, the big one, and I love sectioning my extension this way because I don't want to get stranded while I'm trying to braid the hair. So my client said she doesn't have extra money for extension, so she wants to use just one pack. So I decide to section it down this way. Can you see guys? So here I'm having 22 extension. So I'll go ahead now, sorry guys, and section my client's hair as well. Can you see guys? So I'm done with the sectioning part. I use box braid method and the total of the braid is 22. So guys, these are the one I've done so far. Can you see guys? So if you really want to do this lovely braid and you don't want to get stranded, like you want to do jumbo braid, you have to follow these steps. Yeah, first of all, section the after pulling the extension, like after shoving it, you section it down. And this is how I'm doing it. I'm doing it like I'm achieving the hair in form of, let me say knotless, not in form. The braid is knotless braid. Yes, the braid is knotless braid. Can you see? So make sure you comb the hair so that the hair will slick very well before you can start braiding it. So here right now I'm applying my eco styling gel. So you can use any of your favorite gel, like styling gel, to achieve it. So I'm trying to open the middle, then apply my eco styling gel because I want a perfect and sleek braid. That's why I'm doing it this way. So guys, after applying my eco styling gel, I go ahead and begin to braid the hair first. So if you are trying to do knotless, you can't start, obviously you cannot start with extension. You have to start with the natural hair before adding the extension, and that's what I'm actually doing here. Can you see guys? So you braid it a bit before adding your extension. That's what I'm doing. So you keep braiding it. If you want it fat, that means the extension you are adding is going to be big. Can you see guys? So that's how you keep braiding it. Please, my lovely people, let me greet you once again, my returning subscribers. Thanks so very much for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, please kindly hit subscribe button to join the family. Don't forget to on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So guys, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you. Please let me know in a comment section if this video is helpful to you, and if you guys love watching this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. So guys, that's how I keep braiding this lovely jumbo braid. So the whole braid is just 22 pieces. For those of you that doesn't like sitting for long in a salon, this braid is for you. So that's how I keep going. So guys, when you are trying to add the extension, make sure you add it well. Don't make it too obvious that you added anything to it. So you got to take your time. Can you see guys? So when you get to the tip, make sure you braid it well before you begin to twist. So you need to do a professional job while you are trying to braid hair. Can you see guys? See the tips? So that's how you keep going. So when I'm done, like I'm done with this braid, I just go ahead and trim the braid while I'm trying to boil the water. Can you see guys? The braid is jumbo size. Can you see it? It's looking so lovely. So now I'm trimming the hair. As you can see, I'm trimming it. So after when I'm done trimming it, so I won't be showing you guys the way I'm putting it inside water, but you see the finishing. So guys, now I'm done putting the hair inside hot water. After that, I apply my mousse. I love applying mousse, and I apply my oshin. Then I style the edges. This is the final look of the braid, guys. Can you see? Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.